a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow. With this quote of Jawaharlal Nehru, I would like to extend my warmest welcome to each and every one of you watching this video. I am very much delighted to associate myself with all of you out there on the occasion of Children's Day today. On behalf of HM Education Center, I express my best compliments to you from the core of my heart. Children's Day has its own significance. India's first ever Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, was born on 14th November. He loved children dearly, and that is why children endearingly called him Chacha Nehru. Thus, we commemorate his birth anniversary as Children's Day every year in India. According to Nehru, the students of today are the citizens of tomorrow. No doubt, you are the best students today, and tomorrow you will be great leaders. You are the strength of our country, you are the nation builders, and it is your duty to love your parents and respect your elders. Without these qualities, no one can achieve anything. If anyone achieves anything, those are useless. So dear students, be sincere, be honest, be frank, be devoted, be dedicated, be determined, be disciplined. We know how you all are stuck at home and cannot come to school. We do know how you all want to celebrate this special day with your friends and teachers. But due to this pandemic situation, these are now distant dreams. But do not worry, children. HMEC has come forward and decided to celebrate Children's Day only and only for you people, but in a virtual mode. But before we begin today's program, we have with us our Honorable Rector Ma'am, who is going to share a few words of wisdom with all of you out there.
Good morning and happy Children's Day to everybody, my dear children. Today is our Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. He was called as Chacha Nehru and loved by all the children. He used to love the children, motivated the children to acquire knowledge, and also he motivated them to become a talented person, so that because the children are our future citizens and they have to look up at our country and develop for the development of our country. So always he used to motivate and inculcate a nature of learning inside the children. He used to love and play with the children and try to encourage them for acquiring knowledge. So today is our Chacha Nehru's birthday. Let us celebrate and motivate our children. That's why I have also performed a small token of love for them. So maybe you will love it, and by seeing you performing, I also got motivated, and so I performed, and let us enjoy the day. Thank you and happy Children's Day to everybody again.
Along with Ma'am's speech, we also have a beautiful performance by her. Let's see her performance. Next, we have our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Ratna Kundu, who would like to share a few words with you all.
Good morning, parents. Good morning, children. A very happy Children's Day to my admirable students. Being the principal of the school, I take the opportunity to thank you all for being present here on this auspicious occasion, but virtually. Thanks to our technology. 14th November is celebrated as Children's Day all over India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Various schools like us celebrate this function with lot of enthusiasm and motivation. We too collectively engage in activities that will make our students happy as it's their day. Childhood is a special phase of life and you all should live life to the fullest during this time. I still remember when I was a child, we received an opportunity in our school to enact like our teachers, and it used to be fun performing those acts with gratification. Now children, today was a day where we as teachers on physical mode, we used to perform and you used to enjoy. Unfortunately, being a situation whereby the COVID-19 has struck the whole world miserably, we are all stuck in the four walls of our homes. But we as teacher, we haven't stopped. We are regularly coming to school, doing our work meticulously, and more importantly, catering to the needs of our children. Today I want to share something special with you all, which you can consider as a piece of advice. Childhood is both an enjoyable phase of life and at the same time it is also considered to be a sensitive phase. In contemporary scenario, there are several crimes that are taking place against children. We and you all need to be careful at every moment moment in life, whether you are at home or school. You should always remember that we are here today because you all have motivated us to guide you all. Teachers become educators, not only because of knowledge, but you students play a very important role in our lives. You make us understand who we are and mistakes. Sometimes we underestimate your strengths, but you all proved us that every student present here has some or the other capabilities hidden inside you. You have new and innovative ideas to make our nation proud. We cannot ignore your involvement and contribution in the life of parents, teachers, and other people related to you in your life. Children are liked by everyone, and without children, life becomes very boring and dull. Same with us here today, children. We are missing you all tremendously. It is an isolated institution today. We are only waiting to hear the sound, the noise, the screaming, the shouting. But unfortunately, today we are here in this silent atmosphere whereby we are trying to fulfill our duties and also present a small program in a recognition of this very special day, that is Children's Day. You are the guiding lights in our life. You all are blessed by God and conquer our hearts with your beautiful eyes, innocent activities and smiles. Children's Day is celebrated every year to pay tribute to all the children all over the world. Therefore, to make this occasion happier, we have arranged certain stage shows for you all that we can bring smiles on your face, that is virtually. May all your wishes be fulfilled. I would just like to wind up by reading out a poem to you. Don't quit. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and the debts are high, and you want to smile but you have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is queer with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns. And many a failure turns about when he might have won had he stuck it out. Don't give up, though the pace seems slow. You might succeed with another blow. Often the goal is nearer than it seems to a faint and faltering man. Often the struggler has given up when he might have captured the victor's cup, and he learned too late when the night slipped down how close he was to the golden crown. Success is failure turned inside out, the silver tint of the clouds of doubt, and you never can tell how close you are. It may be near when it seems afar. So stick to the fight when you are hardest hit. It's when things seem worst that you mustn't quit. So children, my only advice to you is, at the end of the day, we are all winners, provided we don't quit. Stick to your aims and ambitions. All are intelligent and brilliant in their own way. And I'm sure with the blessings of the Almighty, your teachers, management, me here above all, who is always beside you to see you through, I'm sure you will excel in the near future. Missing you all, children. A very, very happy Children's Day to you all. My heartfelt gratitude to all the parents for cooperating with us during this pandemic situation. Thank you once again. A very, very happy Children's Day to you.
Next, we have our Honorable Vice Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Sonita Roy, who is going to share a few words with all of you.
A very good morning to everybody, my loving students. The purpose of making this video is to reach you all in this auspicious day, the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, also very renownedly known as Children's Day, because Uncle Nehru was very fond of you children. And it's a very special day for all of you, the Children's Day. Every year we celebrate this Children's Day with great enthusiasm to entertain you children, because on the Teachers' Day, the way you show your love, respect, your reverence towards us, that is a small token from all the teachers to you all. But unfortunately, children, this year, due to the spread of COVID-19, the global pandemic situation has restricted us from all sorts of activities which we cannot do physically by being beside each other. But still, the bond that we have created, though we are physically not close to each other, but the mental bond, the love, the affinity, and the affection what we have with you, that cannot be restricted by any kind of obstacle of this life. So, and it will continue till my last breath. And wherever you will be, wherever I will be, we teachers will be, children, that will keep on pouring like an immortal drink from the heaven. So, in this auspicious day, may the Almighty bless you all with the choicest blessings, with a very delightful life ahead, a marvelous one, filled with peace, prosperity, success, serenity, and good health, with a long life, children. Respect your parents, respect your elders, respect your teachers, respect yourself first, and love yourself, children, because when you understand that what is good for you, no obstacle can stop you to reach the towering heights, and in doing so, I know very well that you will make us once again proud in every moment, in every step that you take in. So I wish you all a very best of luck for all your future endeavors, and we know that very shortly, yes, the whole world will get rid of this pandemic situation, and we pray to God that we once again get back to the normal life, and you come to the school, and we also get in touch with you, because we are terribly missing you all, your hustle and bustle, your noise, your talking, your pleasant smile, your calling out that ma'am, everything we are missing out. I know that you people are also missing your school very much. Yes, let us all join hands together to fight across this situation, and let's get back to the normalcy as fast as possible. God bless all of you children. Unleash your talents, and you know that we believe in that your attitude and your aptitude will decide your altitude. So God bless you once again, children. I wish you all, from all the students from nursery to class 12, a very happy and safe Children's Day and a marvelous life ahead. Thank you very much.
And now, coming up for all of you out there, an array of performances by your very dear teachers.
Baby shark, do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do do do
Next coming up is a solo performance on the song Megh Bole Se Jabo Jabo. Coming up is a mashup of Bengali and Hindi songs by the teachers of HM Education Center.
शुक्लाम्बरधर गणपति मंगलम नित्यं नित्यं जपो जपो विघ्न विनायक विद्यादायक विघ्न विनायक विद्यादायक भजो भजो वीणा गणपतिं जपो जपो बाल गणपतिं भजो भजो वीणा गणपतिं जपो जपो তোমায় হৃদ মাঝারে রাখবো ছেড়ে দেব না তোমায় হৃদ মাঝারে রাখবো ছেড়ে দেব না ছেড়ে দিলে সোনার গৌর আর তো পাবো না ছেড়ে দিলে সোনার গৌর আর তো পাবো না 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 ছেড়ে দেব না তোমায় হৃদ মাঝারে রাখবো ছেড়ে দেব না তোমায় মুখ মাঝে রাখবো ছেড়ে দেব না পলাশের বোন পলাবো পলাবো মন ইন্দ্রারে পলাশের বোন পলাবো পলাবো মন ঘণ্টা ইঁদুরে ঢোল কাটে এ কাটে রে ঘণ্টা ইঁদুরে ঢোল কাটে এ কাটে রে বদরে পীড়িতের ফুল ফোটে আরে বদরে পীড়িতের ফুল ফোটে ইন্দ্রারে পলাশের বোন পালাবো পালাবো মন ইন্দ্রারে পলাশের বোন পালাবো পালাবো মন একটা ইঁদুরে ঢোল কাটে এ কাটে রে বদরে পীড়িতের ফুল ফোটে আরে বদরে পীড়িতের ফুল ফোটে जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना अरे हुल्ले हुल्ले हो हुल्ले हुल्ले हो हुल्ले हुल्ले हो हुल्ले हुल्ले हो चांद तारों से चलना है आगे आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे चांद तारों से चलना है आगे आसमानों से बढ़ना है आगे पीछे रह जाएगा ये जमाना यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर हंसते गाते जहाँ से गुजर दुनिया की तू परवाह न कर मुस्कुराते हुए दिन बिताना यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना गुनगुनाती है हवाएं गुनगुनाता है गगन गा रहा है सारा सुहेलू नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man Zubi pampara Zubi parampam Zubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man शामों में पत्ते गा रहे हैं फूलों में भौरे गा रहे हैं दीवानी गिरने गा रहे हैं ये पंछी गा रहे हैं बगिया में तो फूलों की हो रही है गुफ्तगू जैसा फिल्मों में होता है हो रहा है हूबहू आई 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 zubi pampara zubi parampa zubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man zubi pampara zubi parampa zubi नाचे क्यों पागल stupid man।
नमस्ते बच्चों, बाल दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। इस अवसर पर मैं आप लोगों को एक कविता सुनाना चाहती हूँ। कविता का शीर्षक है ये मत सोचो कि तुम्हारे पास क्या नहीं है, बल्कि उसे सराहो जो तुम्हारे पास है और जो हो सकता है। ये सोचकर दुखी मत हो कि तुम क्या नहीं हो, बल्कि ये सोचकर खुश हो कि तुम क्या हो और क्या बन सकते हो। ये मत सोचो कि लोग तुम्हारे बारे में क्या कहते हैं, बल्कि ये सोचो कि तुम खुद अपने बारे में क्या सोचते हो और क्या सोच सकते हो। ये मत सोचो कि कितना समय बीत गया, बल्कि ये सोचो कि कितना समय बाकी है और कितना मिल सकता है। ये मत सोचो कि तुम फेल हो गए, बल्कि ये सोचो कि तुमने क्या सीखा और तुम क्या कर सकते हो। ये मत सोचो कि तुमने क्या गलतियां की, बल्कि ये सोचो कि तुमने क्या सही किया और क्या सही कर सकते हो। ये मत सोचो कि आज कितनी तकलीफ उठानी पड़ रही है, बल्कि ये सोचो कि कल कितना शानदार होगा और हो सकता है। ये मत सोचो कि क्या हो सकता था, बल्कि ये सोचो कि क्या है और क्या हो सकता है। ये मत सोचो कि कब कितना खाली है, बल्कि ये सोचो कि कब कितना भरा है और कितना भरा जा सकता है। ये मत सोचो कि तुमने क्या खोया, बल्कि ये सोचो कि तुमने क्या पाया और तुम क्या पा सकते हो। आशा है आप लोगों की ये कविता बहुत पसंद आई होगी। मैं चाहती हूँ आप लोग भी अपने जीवन में ऐसा जीवन प्राप्त करें जिससे अपने सभी सपनों को पा सके और आप अच्छा सोचें, बड़ा सोचें, जिससे वो अगर आपका विजन होगा तो डेफिनेटली आप उसे अचीव करोगे। धन्यवाद।
Next, we have a dance performance, a very unique dance performance, which is known as chair dance. What is a chair dance? Watch it out for yourself. Coming up next is an English Western dance performance on the rhyme Dance Monkey.
shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna try. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my, I like your style. You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'm back to do it all again. They say, dance for me, oh, 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 oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, eh. And when you're done, I'll make you do it all again.
Next, we have a dance performance on Fagunero Mohonai.
চেনা দেশের তরে তোর সাথে এইতে পান্তরে তোর মনের প্রজাপতি নাচি নাচি ঘুরি ঘুরি উড়ি উড়ি উড়ে যায় মন হারানোর ঠিকানায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙ্গিনী বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় ফাগুনের মোহনায় প্রেম রাঙা মোর কবিতা সুরের অন্তরে ঝিরঝিরি ঝর্ণা ধারায় নতুন রং ঝরে সবুজে সবুজে হৃদয় কেমন করে সবুজে সবুজে হৃদয় কেমন করে ও মোর দিন উড়িয়া যায় রে দিন উড়িয়া যায় কন্যে রে তোর ভাবনা গুনগুনিয়ে যায় রে গুনগুনিয়ে যায় ও মোর দিন উড়িয়া যায় রে দিন উড়িয়া যায় কন্যে রে তোর ভাবনা গুনগুনিয়ে যায় রে গুনগুনিয়ে যায় তোর স্বপ্নের ভ্রমরি মোর প্রেমেরও প্রহরী তোর স্বপ্নের ভ্রমরি মোর প্রেমেরও প্রহরী হৃদয়ের বাগিচায় নাচি নাচি ঘুরি ঘুরি উড়ি উড়ি উড়ে যায় মন হারানোর ঠিকানায় আগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙিন বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় আগুনের মোহনায় আগুনের মোহনায় মন মাতানো মহুয়ায় রঙিন বিহুর নেশা কোন আকাশে নিয়ে যায় আগুনের মোহনায় আগুনের মোহনায় আগুনের মোহনায়
With this, we have come to an end of our today's program. What amazing performances! Let me thank all the teachers for their amazing contributions. Well, only we know how difficult it was for them to manage all other works and prepare for their performances. Yet, they did it all in an effortless manner. I'm sure, children, that your teachers have already made your day. And now, I would like to conclude by conveying once more my warmest wishes on behalf of HM Education Center for you all out there watching this video. Thank you, children, for giving me your precious time and watching this video and for always staying with us. Thank you and wish you once again Happy Children's Day.